Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dan Schaefer.
And I'm Naja Sherman. We want to get straight to Way 31's Sydney Martin.
She's live outside Huntsville Hospital tonight after asking about the consistent rise in patients over the past 2 weeks.
Here at Huntsville Hospital, CEO David Spillers tells me he's concerned about the growing number of coronavirus cases. The Alabama Department of Public Health is showing an average of about 1,000 new cases a day in the state over the past week, and the number of empty hospital beds is getting low.
This is worse than I had anticipated. I guess I did not anticipate that people would just totally disregard social distancing and the things that had kept us from being a hot spot in the state and around the country.
Thursday afternoon, Huntsville Hospital CEO David Spillers said the disregard since the state reopened is putting everyone in danger.
There are 167 people in our hospitals that are really, really sick. Some of those are sick enough that they're never going to make it. It's a small percentage, but it's a lot of people that, if we didn't have COVID, probably wouldn't even be in a hospital.
Of those 167 coronavirus patients in the hospital system, Spiller said 91 of them are in Madison County, with more than 1,000 patients at hospitals across the state. Spillers told me it's time for Governor Kay Ivey to take action.
I see no reason the entire state's not wearing a mask. And I understand that the people don't, a lot of people don't support that, but very little evidence, virtually no evidence that it hurts you, a lot of evidence that it helps, and it's a pretty easy thing for people to do. So that's the first thing I'd do if I was a governor, is I'd do statewide masking.
Madison County started mandatory masking Tuesday. I asked Spillers what's next if that doesn't do enough to flatten the coronavirus curve.
I think the next steps, if this doesn't work, is we'll have to, the state's going to have to look at whether or not they allow close contact organizations and businesses to continue to remain open.
He explained what kind of businesses he's talking about.
I would lean more towards places where people are congregating in large groups, and talking, drinking, those types of things, nightclubs, bars, those types of things. Anything where people are in close contact, are not masking. Those are the situations where this is most likely to be spread.
And he had this message for anyone who isn't taking the health order seriously.
It's spreading because a lot of people aren't taking it seriously. I wish they would. I don't know how to get people's attention. I think when we cancel college football season, it'll finally get people's attention.
Spillers told me he hopes it does not come down to canceling college football. He told me his message to everyone, it's time to get serious now. Wear a mask, social distance, and sanitize so we can hopefully turn this around. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, Way 31 News.